I came to this country when I was nearly 14 years old. I came from Italy. My brother, my sister, and my mother. We sought to assimilate, to become Americanized. We went to school, and I married a wonderful woman, Sandra, and we've been married since October 18, 1958. I don't think Grandpa liked me in the beginning, but then somehow I conned him into liking me. He thought I was a fly-by-night. Married since 1958, quite a fly. Maybe back of my mind was the fact that my mother had an aneurysm in the brain, and she survived it, but she was paralyzed one side, and she lost the voice. So I got scanned, and they found a small aneurysm in my abdominal aorta. It was getting bigger and bigger, which is what an aneurysm does. It grows. It was 5.7 centimeter, which is in a danger zone, and something has to be done. And then we start talking about it. He came across as unequal talking to unequal. He didn't try to overwhelm me with his scientific knowledge, or his persona was warm. He was trying to connect man to man, and then doctor to patient. He explained to me that he would make 2 small incisions in the groin area, left and right, and go in with the camera and a stent. I didn't feel anything during or after. It was amazing. Like, what was I doing in the hospital? Just nothing. Not a twinge, nothing. Once having known that I had this loaded bomb, and now it's been taken care of by, very wonderful people, and that's one less worry. You don't think about it. Marvelous, marvelous.
Well, I was married for 45 years, and my husband passed away 6 years ago. And I'm a secretary. I work full-time, and my life now is life after marriage, finding a new route. And I basically had vascular problems for many years and did not know it. I had leg pain, some claudication, and I didn't realize that's what it was. And I pretty much was afraid of going to the doctor. My mother had this same illness, disease, and ended up pretty much dying from it. The first week in October of 2012, one day I was walking to work down here, crossing the street, and realized something wasn't right. So I ended up coming to the emergency room, which probably saved my life. I was diagnosed with carotid stenosis. I had various other blockages, including renal stenosis. It was terrible before that. I couldn't walk through the airport. I had to use a wheelchair. I couldn't shop with my daughter. She and I do this major shopping every 6 months or so, and I couldn't do it. Every time I had a surgery, it helped a little bit more, until the last surgery, which was for the claudication, and it was like bingo. It just took care of everything. I can walk again. I walk every day on my lunch hour just because I can. I feel 30 years younger than I did 6 months ago, and I can just do anything. I haven't tried to climb a tree yet. This whole situation has pulled our family right so close together. They're right there. They come up to the plate and take care of every hospitalization. They've been right there for me, taking care of business, including my puppy. He's adorable. and I didn't know what to name him, so I named him Doc. That's what his name is.